definition. This is KOIN Local 6 News at noon.
A judge sets bail at $1 million for the man who police say drove his truck into two Vancouver women and then took off. That crash killed 45-year-old Risha Moshe and 28-year-old Irina Gardiant. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at noon. I'm Jenny Hansen. That accident happened back on January 19th, but that suspected driver, Brandon Smith, just turned himself in yesterday. We sent Brent Weisberg to court today to follow the latest developments. Brent?
Jenny, good afternoon to you. Today, the judge in this case set bail at $1 million for Brandon Smith. The prosecutor, I talked to him, and he said that he wants bail set that high because he believes if Brandon Smith is released, he will continue, in the prosecutor's words, continue to impede justice. Brandon Smith is the prime suspect in a deadly hit-and-run crash that killed two Vancouver mothers. Prosecutors today outlined their case against him, saying the night of the crash, he took steps to hide and conceal evidence from his white truck.
There's a potential, if he is released, that those efforts could continue.
KOIN 6 News has learned that the investigators believe either Smith or his girlfriend, Calista Andino, ordered several car parts the day after the deadly crash. Risha Moshe and Irina Gardiant were both killed. Police are telling KOIN 6 News that the two women and Moshe's son were in the crosswalk and had the right-of-way. Witnesses are now telling police that the vehicle Smith was driving never slowed down and then actually sped up after the crash. Family members today, escorted by police, declined to comment, but the prosecutor told me they are all thankful someone is being held responsible.
The family's very appreciative of their willingness to come forward at this point.
John McMullen.
I think that Brandon's doing as well as is possible under the circumstances.
Smith's attorney tells me he believes his client has been wrongfully labeled by police as uncooperative.
Mr. Smith has been availing himself through counsel to law enforcement and to the prosecuting attorney's office.
But investigators tell a very different story. KOIN 6 News was there when police seized the white Toyota pickup they believe was involved in the crash. Days later, they arrested Smith's mother and girlfriend, and the state took custody of the couple's 5-month-old daughter and put her into protective custody. It wasn't until yesterday, 10 days after the crash, that Smith showed up at a Vancouver police precinct and surrendered along with his attorney.
There's still significant amounts of information the police are apparently still trying to obtain.
Well, KOIN 6 News has been able to confirm that the attorneys for both Brandon Smith and Calista Andino are trying to take steps so that Andino will be able to get custody of their 5-month-old daughter. Andino and Brandon Smith's mother were both arrested and charged with this case as well. They have posted bail and have been released. Reporting live in Vancouver, I'm Brent Weisberg, KOIN 6 News.
All right, we'll keep following that one. Thanks, Brent.